3 Common Mistakes Building a Shuffleboard Table by TableShuffleboardPlans.com. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong wood for your play surface. Your play surface should be made of maple. Pucks fall from players' hands, and using a softer wood like pine, the dropped pucks will dent the play surface, creating crevices and affecting play. You can see from this picture dents that were created from drop pucks. Mistake number 2, not adding climatic adjusters. Climatic adjusters keep the play surface straight, and with humidity, keep the play surface true. You can see from this picture, usually climatic adjusters are positioned 12 inches from each end and typically 3 to 4 feet apart. You can see ZieglerWorld.com for adjusters and installation information. Mistake number 3, using a Sharpie to make numbers and lines on your play surface. Sharpies bleed and will destroy your project. Paint on numbers using a stencil purchased from a craft or hardware store is recommended. Want more tips? You want to see customers finish projects? Visit TableShuffleboardPlans.com. Over 5,000 plan booklets sold. Supports provided by the author, A.B. Custom Shuffleboard. Purchase your copy today at TableShuffleboardPlans.com.